Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, then do check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So right now, I'm in a 15-minute chart of gold USD here. And after the market opening, we can see some sort of fall on the chart of gold here. If you look at the chart here, then you can see that after the market there has been a fall on the price of gold here. Whereas if you look at the chart of DXY, let me switch to the 4 hours time frame, then we can see that during the closing hours of the market, market was falling on DXY under some correction, but again we can see that DXY is trying to go up again. My dear friends, I will not discuss in detail about DXY again. If you want to have a detailed outlook on DXY, watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. Overall, DXY is still bullish. We have multiple layers of support on DXY. So let's go back to the chart of gold and let's try to understand what are the trading possibilities for the day. Okay. So first of all, I would like to discuss about this channel here. You can see that gold is trading in a downward channel. The line at the top is acting as a resistance, whereas the line at the bottom is acting as support. And right now, gold is standing at the support zone here. Already we have discussed about this level, that 1920 to 1917 is a support level on a chart of gold. So as per our expectation, gold has come down to the support level right now. So if you already have taken a buy position, be on the trade. And if you want to take a fresh buy position, yes, you can enter on the trade right now. But my dear friend, again, I will tell you again that keep in mind that gold is trading in a downward channel here. So there is a possibility that gold will break the channel and gold will be going down, because gold is constantly forming lower highs in the market. Lower high generally signifies the rise in number of sellers. So there is a possibility that at one point gold will break the resist support and go down. In case gold goes up from here, okay, but after once or twice, if the lower highs, yes, if the lower highs continue, agar ऐसे lower high बना रहा, okay, lower highs continue, gold will break the support and will go down eventually. I have already discussed this thing in my Saturday video. But still, if you have taken a sell position, buy position, I'll say that yes, still there is a possibility that gold will try to revive from here. But do not be too confident on this level, because there is still a possibility that gold will break the support and go down. And if gold breaks the support, then the next big support on gold is around 1895, 1890. These are the biggest support on the chart of gold. Okay. Yes, there are some minor support also around 1904, around 1910. Yes, around 1910, 1912, then around 1904. We have some minor support zone. But in case there is a heavy fall on the chart of gold, then obviously the minor support levels will not be able to hold the market. You must understand that to hold a strong selling pressure, we need a strong level as well, and these levels are not that strong enough. So in case there is a heavy fall, then your next important support will be 1895 to 1890. But under normal circumstances, if the selling pressure is not high enough, then you can hope that around 1910, 1912 level gold will take support. And if gold goes up from here, then as I've already discussed in my previous video, that around 1932, 1933 level, we have a good resistance zone. So you can expect gold to reverse from this resistance zone if there is no news in the market. Okay, if there is no news in the market under normal circumstances, you can expect gold to reverse from this particular level here. But considering the downward channel, there is also a possibility that around 1922-23, yes, around this level also gold may face selling pressure again. Right now we will have to see how gold reacts in this particular level. If you probably you have already heard me saying a lot of time that Monday mornings are not good for trading, as well as Friday evenings are not good for trading. So this is Monday morning. So be careful. If you have a buy position, be on the trade. If you still have not taken any buy position on the chart of gold, I'll request you to observe the market for some time, because Monday mornings are not that convincing. Okay. And whatever you do, my dear friends, follow proper risk management, because see, this gold is very volatile, and be careful. Again, I'll say, though it is a support level, but market is constantly forming lower highs in the market, which signifies rise in number of sellers. So be careful. Market may break also. If market bounces this time, but after some time today, tomorrow, if the lower highs continue, then market will break the support and market will go down. Then the next big support on chart of gold will be around 1895 to 1890 level. In between we have some minor support levels, but those are very minor. If the selling is high enough, those levels will not be able to hold the market. Okay, so observe the market now. If market bounces, then only buy. If market breaks it, do not sell immediately. Monday morning, you should also know when not to trade. A trader knows when to trade, but traders should mostly learn when not to trade. Yes, when not to trade is much more important. It saves your money, it saves your hard-earned capital. So this is it. Hopefully, my dear friends, you have understood. Use proper risk management and strict stop loss. That's it. Okay. And if you really want to take up trading as serious profession, then you can sign up for the world's most affordable forex trading workshop that is available for the next couple of weeks. After that, I'll be taking a break. I won't be available. And if you simply want to look for signals, or if you really want to, then you can join the world's cheapest signal service. Yes, only $2, only $2 per month. Okay, you won't get a better deal. Okay, so this is just my effort. Okay, to the world. Okay, to spread the knowledge that I have received for all these years. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Please follow proper risk management, because any good trade setup may fail, but you should not be losing all your money. Bye bye.